Okay, we're going to do a little bit of a review with the borders. Okay, I just want to show you one more thing with that. This won't take long to do, and I think it'll help immensely. Okay, so I want to start out, first of all, if I wanted to put a border, between, or actually between row 2 and row 3, I would just kind of select this range right there. I would go back into my border button, put a bottom border in, right? Click away from it, there's my bottom border. That's pretty easy. Now, what I'd like to do now as well is I want to put the same thickness of border on all of these rows all at once. Okay? Now, if we didn't know any better, we would have to go to each row like this and do the border, because if we do something like this, right, and do the bottom border, it's just going to put the bottom border down here, all right? So how do we get around that? Well, we're going to go back and reselect this range all the way down here, all right? Now, we go back into the dialog box, go to our border, and we can see what we have so far. So right now, that whole selected area is showing that there's a border at the top of it. That's what we put in, all right? So what we're going to tell it to do is that we want the same border, all right? So it'll be the same line here. So this border here on the other ones, right? But we want it to be just a little bit less dark, okay? So what we'll do here is we'll go to the color area here, and automatic is basically black, all right? So we can find some other color. So maybe a little bit lighter, maybe this one right here, okay? And in order to get it to be at the bottom of this, we would choose that, right? And that puts the bottom there, right? But then what we want to do is we want the border on all of these, right? So what you do there is you click in this spot right here, and that will represent this one, this one, this one, this one, all the way down, just like that. So we do that, simple thing, hit OK, click away from it, and there we go. See, so we've maintained the darker one there. Here's the lighter one, right? Now, on this one here, we have to kind of make some decisions, and the thought would be that we probably want the dark border on all these lines, including the top of this one, right? So what we can do is we can select this range like this, all right? And then once we've done that, go back into the dialog box, go back to our border, and there it's showing the border at the top, right? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to change the color to automatic, so it's going to be black, and we're going to make it that thicker size, this one here, and we're going to do that here, and then here, here would be at the bottom there, and then in between would be there, see? So you hit OK on that, click away from it, and there you go, all right? You're going to have to, kind of make the artistic decisions on how, what kind of thickness you want, what color, and what you want to try to avoid, though, is trying to keep it from getting too gaudy looking, with that. Now, let's say we wanted that same thin border and lighter colored border going vertical, just like we have here going horizontally. What we can do is we can start here and select from here to, let's say we'll go from there to there, I think. Yeah, I think that'd be good. And then we'll go all the way down to here, right? So we do all that. We go back into the dialog box, go back to our border, and there we go. What we're seeing right now is the thin border at the top and of our range there, and then the thicker one at the bottom. So all we're concerned with is to get the vertical one and to get that lighter color one. I forget what color we have, but I'll just pick this one here, all right? And we're going to make that go vertical. So we can click either here or just click here, and that will put that in between there, see? That's all we have to do. And then you hit OK, and now that's been done for all of them. So not bad. I mean, again, as I was saying in the beginning, you do too much bordering, it just gets to be a little out of hand. But you're the one to make that call, so that's up to you. But I just wanted to show you how you can control what gets, bordered and what doesn't within a selection. And hopefully this will help you. So appreciate you watching the video. Take care.